In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful.
Some important tips. Answer the phone by left ears. Don't take medicine with cold water. Don't have heavy meals after 5 p.m. Drink more water in the morning, less at night. Best sleeping time is from 10 p.m. to 4 a.m. Don't lie down immediately after taking medicines. When battery is down to last bar, don't answer the phone, as the radiation is 1,000 times stronger. Daily 1 apple, no doctor. Daily 5 almonds, no cancer. Daily 1 lemon, no fat. Daily 1 glass milk, no bone problem. Daily 4 dates, no weakness. Daily 5 times pray, no tension. Daily 8 hours sleep, happy day. Share it to your dear ones.
अगर वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर लें और घंटी के बटन को दबा दें ताकि आने वाली मज़ीद वीडियोज़ का नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलता रहे।